Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you will be fine. May Allah bless you. In this beautiful video strength, I can share you very beautiful, unique and beautiful style ideas. I hope you will like it. Christmas decorations ideas. I hope you will like us enjoy these styles. All very pretty and different collections. I can share with you. Very interested. Unique and different styles that are also beautiful. So keep watching. It's our channel. This amazing Christmas tables decorations ideas. I hope you will like it. Table centerpieces ideas for Christmas. I hope you will like us enjoy these styles and these beautiful collections. So I hope you will like these styles ideas. All very pretty. This Christmas tables decorations ideas. Is this beautiful and unique and pretty style ideas? I hope you will like it. And this very beautiful. Most gorgeous and very pretty style ideas. So I hope you will like it. All these very unique and interesting beautiful styles. I hope you will like it. Enjoy my unique style updates. All very unique and different. So because I hope you will like it. All my best and different unique new designs and ideas. Watch this our channels. Let's see all my best and different news ideas beautifully. I can share with you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.